Talented Creators Collaboration is an open invite to show off our talents to you, the viewer. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. I am going to make some winter decor items, and one must be a snowflake. So let's get crafting. DIY number 1, winter painting stencil trees. Supplies needed include a canvas, green and white acrylic paint, tree stencils, glitter, some snow, and Mod Podge. Hey everyone! Winter is here, and with snow falling, brisk air, and early dark evenings made me think about how beautiful nature can be. So I took my 12 by 12 canvas and painted it with acrylic paint in the color plaster. Now I painted the front and the sides because you want the look to be cohesive. You don't want it to stop like at the edges and then you see the white canvas and the color plaster is only on the front. No. Then I took my tree stencil and painted one large tree near the bottom on the left and a small tree near the top in the middle of the canvas, and a large one on the right side near the top. So I let them dry, and then I had to dab some white snow on the branches of the tree and try to thicken the snow under the tree. When that was dry, then it was time for the glam. I applied some Mod Podge on the trees and sprinkled some glitter so that they would glisten, because you know when snow falls on the tree, you have a sparkle. Then some larger snowflakes were put on the bottom of the trees to enhance the painting and stencil. I think this is lovely and can stay up all winter. So let me know what you think about this Winter Wonderland. Talented Creator Collaboration is an open playlist with the host DIY with Aurea and Lowly D's Creations. The host is Arrows DIY. These are amazing crafters that have encouraged, inspired, and helped us to be the best version of ourselves, because we're talented. Be sure to check out their channels. Also subscribe, like, save, and comment. The link to their channels is listed in the description box below. There are other crafters that are talented. Be sure to check out their channels too. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. So get comfy, watch, and be inspired. DIY number 2, a tape roll snow globe. The supplies needed include corrugated cardboard, a tape roll, Epsom salt, bottle brush tree, a lamp stand, bench, hot glue, reptile adhesive, and a snow globe. And most of these products are from the Dollar Tree. Now, this is the very first time that I am making a snow globe with a winter theme. In fact, this is my first time even making a snow globe. I kind of looked at them and most of them have water in them. I don't like anything leaking anywhere in my furniture. So I did not put water in this snow globe, but you can because it has a really good seal. So let's see what I can do. I purchased this snow globe from Dollar Tree, and I will have to say, these are substantial snow globes and seem to be well made. And I plan to go there tomorrow and see if I can find a couple more. So I untwisted the bottom, and then it has a rubber gasket, and I removed that. I had to check out what I was working with. The globe is large enough, but the bottom is a little small, but it was okay with me. Now, you're not going to get a whole lot of things in this snow globe because it's on the smaller side where you would place the objects that you're going to use. But it was good enough for 3 items that I was going to put inside. So first I hot glued a bottle brush tree on the back side of the gasket, and then I put a tall street light to the right of the tree, and these were miniatures from the Dollar Tree. And lastly, I put the bench in front of the tree. Now, all of these were hot glued to the plastic gasket. And finally, I added the Epsom salt as snow, and then I closed it with the globe turned upside down, because if you have it any other way, your snow is going to be everywhere. And now it was time to work on the base, because if you look at many of the snow globes, there's a base to it. And I was trying to figure out, what could I use as the base? Well, I have a lot of these tape rolls that are empty, which is unbelievable, but they are a perfect fit for the snow globe. You know, I'm finding all sorts of use for these tape rolls. My mind just keeps going and going and going. So you have to find ways to recreate them. Then I had some corrugated cardboard that came with some packaging that came to my house, and it was perfect for this project. I measured and I used my cutting board to cut a strip, and this was glued on the tape roll with reptile adhesive. I love that adhesive. It goes on really nice. The drying time is short. I had used some cardstock glitter paper first, but it had a lot of lumps in it, and I was like, this is not going to work out. But this corrugated cardboard was just perfect for the base. Now, I thought about adding some ribbon, but I changed my mind and left it minimal. Because, you know, ribbon doesn't have to be on everything. I guess you could say a little bit on the minimal side. So let me know your thoughts. Would you have added a ribbon? DIY number 3, clay snowflakes. The supplies needed includes some air-dried clay, and I had some from Dollar Tree, snowflake cookie cutters, skewer, string, Mod Podge, white chalk paint, gem stickers, rub and buff, and a decorative rolling pin. I had a big one and I had a little one. Snowflakes was a must-have in this collaboration, and I thought I would make some snowflakes that were made out of air-dried clay. And I wanted these to be unique, so, you know, I couldn't stop with one, so I made like 3 different kinds. I wanted one with a decorative rolling pin to make an imprint, so I did that one. And I made 2 more using the same process some time ago, but they were plain, but the same cookie cutters were used. Now, I had some other clay that I had used, and I left it alone. And that's because it does not get burned. It stays sticky. I have put it in the oven, I baked it, and still does not get hard. The Dollar Tree clay worked out just fine. I rolled it out with a rolling pin, made my imprint on it, and then used a cookie cutter to make the snowflakes. And I had 2 different sizes. And since I had some left over, I rolled the clay into a ball with my hands and used a skewer to put the hole in the middle. And when the clay was dry, I wiped some rub and buff over both imprints, and it came out wonderful. Then my daughter bought me some gem stickers from Japan, and I put them on the other 2 snowflakes to kind of give it a glam appearance. So what I did, I painted it with the white chalk paint. let it dry, and then I used some Mod Podge that was gloss and put it over, and then the stickers. So that's how it went. Let me know what you think about all of them. Most of them I hung up as Christmas ornaments. So if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Crafting is very satisfying, but can be challenging, like these snowflakes. I always enjoy encouraging comments, so follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. I appreciate all of your comments, and I appreciate you also, and I want you to have a Merry Christmas or a happy holiday, or however you celebrate. Have a wonderful time with your family. And remember, radiate joy from the inside out. This is by Jenny Blake. See you later. Bye-bye.